Hello guys, what's up? Today I came from the Nainital. This is a very beautiful place in Uttarakhand city, and most vehicle are here crowded. Many people have came here to visit tourist place and see them. All the boating, all the persons are doing her boating and take full enjoy. This is a very good thing. And see about and traffic system. This is a Lower Mall Road, who is the open on morning 6 a.m. to evening 8:30 p.m. Lower Mall Road came from the e-rickshaw, and it is done the lack of the vehicles crowded because the two roads are divided in, and so traffic is one road is lack. Many tourists came from the UP, Haryana and Rajasthan, West Bengal, and the Nainital Mosam is very cloudy, rainy and thunderstorm. There are trees like such, so the weather clouded are nearby the hills, and no problem. Many smart people are came here. And Lower Mall Road do not play the horn. This is a rule inaugurated in 1 July of directed by DM and Kumaon Commissioner Mr. Deepak Rao sir. Launched the rule. The Lower Mall Road horns crowded very much, so lack of the horns, and so the new rule is launched on 1 August. This is evening time is very good, and many shops are the Bengals. Many shops are the people see the. I show you the Nainital's view, lake of view. The many of the boats are came here. Visit Nainital one time. This is a very beautiful place, and see there is a college, Nainital College, DSB College. And evening time, many of the tourists are doing boating. Okay, let's go this place. This is very long. I love Nainital. My district is also Nainital, so very good. And don't be shame. And ये मेरा आज सोशल एंजाइटी हटाने का दूसरा दिन है. I am very happy to glad many of the girls and other people came here and doing boating. The boat prices is 320 in 2 person and 420 in 2 person in whole lake. And life jacket is safety is also priority, because the lake is sometimes weather is rough, so life jacket is necessary for the boating for people. There is a college, and this is old city, very old city, present by the here, and Nainital crowd is very much. Many of the sisters came here. Saw the crowded, and vehicles are going speedily. And you come from Nainital, so bus is Kadudam Haldwani to 75 to 80 rupees. Came from the Nainital in government bus, and visit here. And this city is already in high price because the transportation rate, and also here there food and the clothes and many other items are high price, not cheap. So you have a budget in 5,000, you visit Nainital, and you are booked the taxi, and taxi prices is very high. So the many boaters came here. Tourist are came very far from away, and if you are a two-person, so you take the rental scooty in Albany for 500 to 600 rupees, and visit 12 hour, and you have must driving license, and your identity proof card such as Aadhaar card is necessary for you. The Lower Mall Road is very crowded. Many of the people are came here. Many of the vehicles, e-rickshaw, and busy places. Some stalls are here. See. I see you from the Nainital Lakes. Saw the many people are capturing his photos. See, there is a very much and beautiful, and along with the long time, see the Nainital Lake view. This is boating stand, and very tourist came here, and 320 rupees to drink, and here available is a small park, doing much very fancy. So I would like to see Nainital weather is very cold, so when you ready for Nainital, so you keep first raincoat and second thing a jacket, because here is a cold season, and cold season में हमको ठंडा होता है, तो इसलिए हमको अपने लिए गर्म कपड़े पहले रखने हैं, पैक करने हैं, और धीरे धीरे मैं अपनी इसकी स्टार्टिंग कर रहा हूँ। सोच रहा हूँ कि कुछ नया बना लूँ, और फिर भी कोशिश जारी रहती है, जितना हमसे हो पाए उतना करते हैं। यहाँ बहुत सी शॉप्स लगी हुई हैं जिनको देख के बहुत अच्छा लगता है। ये एक चढ़ाई वाला रास्ता है जो ऊपर निकलता है बहुत, और देयर इज़ अ वेरी गुड when it's heavily raining, so the track is full of waters. See, everywhere is the mud, and make your shoes in very dirty. There is a park, known as a park, is very good. See there. When you have learned, so आपको ना किसी से कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ना चाहिए. You don't shame. You are very good. You have been confident. You are a winner. You have been good. You have been positive. You have been fit. You have been good healthy. You have been proper sleep. You have been good. You are good from mentally and physically, and not a problem here. So this is a very good thing for him, fitness and good human body, and so here is found many of apes. See, I saw the Nainital View Lake. So sorry guys, here is found ape, and so I choose the main road. So I saw the main road in Nainital. He is upper road from Nainital, so the crowded very much, and very of the tourists have came here. So the small children and his mom to get your children and the tourist visit these places, and saw the crowded of this street. This is Chandni Chowk for veterans. Kulladwala Garma Garam Chaat. Here they found Kulladwala Garma Garam Chaat. See the traffic here. Very most other states people are came here, and UP, Haryana, Rajasthan, and he stopped the vehicle in everywhere. So traffic system is very dumb here. So welcome for the Nainital police. So your safety is our concern. The Times of India presents now, and there is found a raincoat here. So the view, enjoy the view, and see the crowded here. This is Lower Mall Road.